So the Dow Jones dropped over 400 points today. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy you can use so the next time we have a crazy drop like this, you won't miss out. All right, so y'all see the ticker sign right there. It says US30. Now, US30 is the Dow Jones. If you're trading futures, it would be called YM, but the same exact strategy still applies. Now, at the time of me recording this video, the market dropped 500 points in 2 hours. That right there is 9:30, and all the way right there is 11:30. Now, yes, it's a strategy video, but we're talking about money, so let me give you a breakdown of what that actually looks like. Now, most traders are using funded accounts, so we're going to break that down right here. This is the actual contract size of a funded account. Let's go with a 5 lot, right? Most traders using that as well. So a 5 lot will give you $5 per pip, and literally 200 pips, that right there is just $1,000. If you're using a live account, it gets a little different. Same contract size here. Let's say someone's using an average of a 0.10, which is $10 per pip. 200 pips, that right there gives you $2,000. So the first thing you want to do is go to the higher time frame. For me, I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame. And on this, I'm looking for where's my current support and my current resistance. At the end of the day, market moves along with structure, but it's always going to go to a support and a resistance. Next, you're going to drop down to an hour time frame and mark up this current support and this current resistance. Now, before we get to the higher time frame support resistance, we have to break these lower time frame levels. Then you want to drop down to a lower time frame. So this is where I get to the 15-minute time frame. And on this time frame, I'm looking for where exactly does that hour support and resistance start to hold or start to break. You guys can see right here, we're literally holding off of that, and it's the 15-minute time frame. Then you're going to drop down to the minute time frame. Now, when a higher time frame support or resistance holds and gives us a reversal, it has to start somewhere. Being on a minute time frame, it helps you to get those elite entries. An example is this. During market open, price shot up, and all we did was come and retest a 1 minute resistance. At that point, we can see a reversal start to happen, and then from there, price is now going to start pulling back down. Now, I'm not going to cap and act like the market moves 500 pips every single day. But here's the thing that most traders miss. It's not about catching every single move. It's about knowing what to look for, when to execute, so you can actually make money and enjoy your day. This is what I teach. This exact type of setup is what my students use to catch moves like this without having to sit on the charts all day. This morning, one of my students hit me up at 10:12. He made 1,700 in less than an hour using that same exact strategy. If you want to learn how to do it without second guessing, without using indicators, and without gambling, comment the word ready. I'll send you a link to schedule a call. And during this phone call, we can go over exactly where you're currently at and what the next step needs to be.